So happy to say that for this week, for once, since it's been a rough downhill journey for us, we had a net profit of $13,142.69. How's it going? It's Rocky. Welcome to week number 21 of what I like to call my 5 to 9 after the 9 to 5. So what we have here is the hourly chart for the MYM. As you've been following my journey, it's been a rough 6 straight red weeks. And this week is a comeback week, finally back in the green. And hopefully we can recover most of our losses, but we'll see how it goes. But just wanted to update you on what's going on. So what we have up here is the hourly chart. I did add 3 more contracts. So now we have a total of 14 contracts. And this white line here is our average. So this is the first time in 6 weeks where our PL open is positive, which is great. So we're heading in the right direction to hopefully recuperate most of our losses for the year to date 2022. One thing I did want to point out here is I did also trade the YM, and let me show you the YM here. So here's the YM. I'm gonna change it to the 5-minute tab here. As you can see, I haven't traded the YM in a while for this past year. And basically this week I decided to, since I was off for this Friday, so let me just change this up to a weekly chart. I did trade here, just a quick one, Friday power hour, to see if I still knew how to trade during the US market, and I do have a link above on how that trade worked out. So here is our account statement. I'm recording this on Friday, May 27th. It's about 2:42 p.m. and it is an upcoming 3-day weekend, so market is closed on Monday. So friendly reminder about that. And the statement we're showing from Sunday, May 22nd to today, Friday, May 27th. If we look at the account statement, you can see that pretty much everything is marked to market. So everything was positive there since it was a great week for that. And as I mentioned, I did trade the YM here, which is the E-mini, which is a gross profit of $250. And if you look at our balance here, it may seem a bit higher because I did fund my account last week. Used most if not all of my emergency fund to really just shore up the account, and that'll be factored in for my year to date on my Q2. So I'll be doing that at the end of June. So anyway, no deposits or withdrawal this week. So what we ended with was $41,192.50. And what our starting cash was $28,049.81. So happy to say that for this week, for once, since it's been a rough downhill journey for us, we had a net profit of $13,142.69. So divided that by 40 hours, which is a 9 to 5 full-time job in the US, and that would have been an hourly rate of $328.56. And then of course the statistic that you should always measure yourself against, not the dollar value, but the percentage value. So what we gained of $13,142.69, divided that by our starting cash of $28,049.81, and we'll multiply that by 100. And yes, it's one heck of a week. So we had a net percentage increase of 46.85%. Anyway, that's just my update for this week. Hopefully we can get back to how it usually is. We're getting to that point where I can go back to closing the existing contracts that I have, but for now I'll leave it there, and I'm gonna trade the YM with the other cash that I have. Anyway, glad to be back on releasing a content this week. Hope you like what you saw. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you didn't like what you see, give me another chance, and hopefully on the next one you will like what's being shared. All right, have a good one.